Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by opening Google Calendar and signing in. Make sure you use the account that holds your contacts. Once done, enable the built-in birthdays calendar so Calendar pulls dates from Google Contacts. Next, create a separate calendar called Birthdays. This keeps reminder settings isolated and easy to manage. You do this by clicking plus Create New Calendar. This first step saves time later because personalized notifications and sharing work per calendar rather than per event. Now, add birthdays as all-day events on your new birthdays calendar. Include the name and birth year in the title to avoid confusion. Once created, set the event to repeat yearly so you never recreate it. Then configure multiple notifications, for example, a one-week email reminder and a one-day pop-up, because different reminders serve different needs. You can also add a shared note or card link in the description for gift ideas or addresses. Once set, every occurrence inherits these settings. Finish by syncing across devices. Open settings on your phone, ensure your Google account calendar sync is on, and confirm the birthdays calendar is visible. Test with a sample birthday, set a few minutes ahead to confirm notifications appear as expected. Adjust notification types if you prefer email versus pop-up. If something goes wrong, check contacts sync, calendar visibility toggles, and app notification permissions, because most issues stem from visibility or permission settings rather than calendar itself. Make sure to resave events after edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.